Right now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your airtime into cash. If this is what you're interested in, please stay tuned as I'll be showing you the steps on how you can achieve this. And so if you're coming to this channel for the first time, my name is Joaquin. So what I do on this platform is that I show and introduce money-making platforms to you, and in exchange, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. And by so doing, it triggers the algorithm to push out these videos to more viewers.
Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store to download the PalmPay app. So after you've downloaded this app, you just need to open the app. So right now, once you're on this app, you can come down here and you can see that you have different options on their services. So to view all services from this place, you just have to come over to more. Okay, so once you come over to more, you would see this recharge to cash. Okay, so you would now tap on recharge to cash, then you come over here to input your mobile number. So right now I've inputted my mobile number. The next thing for you is to click on go. As the first user, an OTP will be sent to your mobile number. So all you just need to do is to check your mobile number for the OTP code. So right now I've inputted the OTP code, so I click on log in. Now they said, do you have MTN airtime pin? So as a first user of this platform, what you just need to do is to click on not yet, and you'll be asked to create your own user pin. Now I've inputted my own user pin, so I will click on next. So I will also have to confirm my pin. So right now I've confirmed my pin. Okay, so right now let me start with 100 naira. So you just have to go for the amount you want to sell, the airtime amount you want to sell. So as for me, I want to sell 100 naira. So right now you can see the convenience fee is 12 naira. Okay, so actual amount you'll be receiving is 88 naira. So this is actually the best rate of exchanging your airtime to money. This is actually the best rate I have seen so far. So you just have to come down here and click on sell. Okay, so now you now have to put in that pin you generated when you started. Okay, so I'm going to put in mine and continue. So right now I've inputted my own pin, so I just need to tap on confirm. So most times you get this credited instantly, but now they said airtime sale is still processing. Please check your account later for final status. So you're receiving 88 naira once they confirm this payment. You can also come down here to sell again. So I'll be showing you another platform which you can use to sell your airtime and convert them into money. These other platforms will pay you in cash for selling your airtime on this platform. Right now you can see we are Nigeria's fastest airtime to cash conversion site, offering the highest rate and ensuring you receive cash within just 10 minutes. Earn up to 5,000 daily and 150,000 monthly for free by reselling data plans. Okay, so what you just need to do on this account is to resell your airtime and convert them into cash. I would advise, if you want to do anything with this platform or you want to resell your airtime to cash, so before you start any transactions on this platform, I will advise you go over to their WhatsApp or Telegram channel to ask and confirm if they are available for transactions. Okay, so before you go on selling your airtime and converting them to cash, you can actually make that confirmation before you do anything on this platform. So to register on this platform, you are going to see the second link on this video. For the first link is for the first video which you just watched, which is the PalmPay, that you can actually create an account for yourself and start converting your airtime into money. So these are the two platforms I know their exchange rates for converting airtime to cash is actually okay. So you can leverage these two platforms and convert your airtime to cash and have access to your cash. If you gain value from this video, please don't go without liking this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification.